everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have my Knitcrate for the month of August. So why don't we take a look and see what's inside. So here it is. So let's take a look. So this was the inspiration for the Knitcrate, and it says the fast-paced, high-technology glimpse of a future shrouded in chrome and glass, a world reflected in buzzing lights with the faint glow of neon. Interesting. So these were the colors that we could have gotten, and they're very pretty. And if you had sock crate, these were the sock crate colors. Very pretty. Very nice. And of course there's, you know, the pattern download code and everything. So, let us take a look at the yarn and the extra. Now, fingers don't want to work. Throw that to the side. So these are the yarns that I got. They are very pretty. I really like these actually. This time I did surprise me because I couldn't decide between them all. And I'm actually very happy with this color. Makes me think of Madonna. Just saying. Alright, and it is Uru Yarns, and it's called Cotton Basic. And because I can't read it unless it's on the screen, there you go. It is, the name of this is Reflection. It is 100% organic Pima cotton. It is a DK weight. It is 275 yards or 251 meters, 100 grams. It is wash cold, lay flat, or tumble dry low. And it tells you which needles or hook to use. And it is made in Peru exclusively for Knitcrate. And it gives you the gauge to use. And it is pretty awesome. But that is a beautiful green mixed with the white. And I'm going to tell you, it is super soft. Love a Pima cotton. So, I have two of them, so, what, 150, 550 yards. So, that's quite a bit of yardage of a DK weight. And it is, like, really soft. Really love that. I like that. So, I hope you guys like that too. If you get Knitcrate, tell me what colors you got. I really love this. Is beautiful. Love those colors. And the extra, which I normally would probably complain about a pin. I guess I should hold that upside right. But I'm not complaining about this pin. There it is. It's open. But check this out. It's got a highlighter on the end. I love that. It's all in one. So you have your ink pen on the end, and you have a highlighter right there. So I actually like that and find this very handy. So this is a very handy pen. I do like this. I like this a lot. So this one's Knitcrate. We got the ink pen with the highlighter on the end, and the two Pima cottons, which is 550 yards, if I did my math right. So I like that. I hope you like that too. And in the meantime, oh, don't forget we get the downloaded patterns. So in the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning.